been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I will be showing you how I installed and styled this hair from Asteria Hair. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video. As y'all can see, this wig is literally gorgeous. It is so long and so pretty, so silky. I literally just installed it, so I can't give you guys like my full review on the hair. Although I have worked with Asteria Hair many times, and I have never ever had a bad experience with Asteria. Their hair is absolutely gorgeous. It looks exactly what you're gonna, it looks exactly like what you're gonna get, and the lace quality is amazing, the hair quality is amazing. Everything is just 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. So before we hop into the video, I'm going to do a small unboxing for you guys just to show you what is going to come into your package. I know the holiday season is kind of over, but they did have this cute box, which is so freaking cute if you was to get this for someone as a gift. But inside the box, it comes with some lashes. It comes with an Asteria edge band. This is what you use to tie down the lace to melt it. They also sent a edge brush, but I did use it, so it's not in the package. And then last but not least, they have this dust bag, which is super cute. This is what you store your wig in after you have worn it, and this just keeps it safe and keeps it cute and silky until the next time. That is pretty much everything they sent in my package. I'm not gonna talk y'all head off. I want to go ahead and hop right into this video, but before we can do that, I'm gonna need you guys to thumbs this video up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, you can lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. All right, so y'all, as y'all can see, this is the hair that we're gonna be working with. I don't know exactly how many inches it is, but I know it is at least 30. So this should be fun. As you guys can see, I already have my wig cap on. I just have to apply makeup to it, and then we can get started with the install. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna, of course, use a powder. You can use a powder, concealer, foundation, whatever you got that's your shade. And you just wanna take a brush and go all over the front of the wig cap. If you have any excess wig cap, you can go ahead and cut that off as well. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and take the unit, and I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. Oh my gosh, this lace is beautiful. I didn't even put any makeup or anything on it. I don't even think I'm gonna have to. Like, this is crazy. All right, so now that I have the wig on, we can go ahead and start the glue down process. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and flip this unit back, and then I'm going to clean the skin where the wig is gonna be laying down. I'm gonna use 91% alcohol, and I'm gonna just clean my skin until all of the makeup and all of the oils are gone. All right, so now that I have my skin all cleaned, let me turn down my lighting because I look a little bright. But okay, so now that I have my skin clean, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Bond Baby, and I'm gonna use about 2 layers of this stuff. And I just always like to take it on the back of something, and then I'm gonna use a popsicle stick to spread out the glue evenly across my skin. So I'm just gonna start off with the first layer, and then once the first layer dry, I'm gonna let it dry clear, and then I'm gonna go in with the second layer. All right, now we're gonna pull it back down over the glue. And then I'm gonna use a comb to push the hairline into the glue. So now I'm just parting off all of the hair that I feel like is too far down on my hairline. So I'm just gonna part it off and clip this. And then now what I'm gonna do is just take some hairspray, and then I'm just gonna push the rest of the hair out of the way so that I don't cut any when I'm trying to cut the lace. Now I'm going to take a razor and I'm going to start to cut at the lace around these hairs that I want to come off. So I'm going to go make sure that I'm cutting above these hairs. As you can see, there is some white residue. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to fix that. But for right now, we're just cutting off all of the lace. Now we take our rag again, or whatever you want to use to clean, and I'm going to take my 91% alcohol, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean all around the lace. If any of the lace comes up, it's okay. We can always go back in and lay it back down, but you do not want any white residue. If you have to peel back the lace or do whatever you have to do, go ahead and do that. All right, now I'm going to let this fully dry, and then I'm going to go in with another layer of glue. And then we're gonna fix this area. All right, so now that I have that lace laid down, I can go ahead and start to make my middle part. So I am going for a middle part today just because whenever I have long hair, I always just like to do a middle part. I feel like it looks the best. So I'm just gonna go and make the part as straight as I can get it. And once I have made the part, I'm just gonna go in with some wax stick and some hairspray. And I don't like to use too much wax stick. I only like to take it right at the root of the hair, because I feel like any further that you take it down, the hair just gets greasy. So I always just like to go in at the root. All right, so now that I have the wig flattened out, now I'm just gonna go through with my flat iron, and I'm just going to, just made my forehead ashy. I'm just going to go ahead and go over this hair. Even though it's already pretty straight, I just wanna get it bone straight, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that right now with my Babyliss flat iron. And that should be the last step, y'all. I don't think I'm gonna do baby hairs just because this hairline on this wig is so fire. So I think I'm just gonna keep it just like this and just hit it with the flat iron. So yeah. right, so y'all, I am done with the hair. This is how she's looking. So silky, so straight. It is just a lot of hair and it just makes you want to keep combing it, but I love the way that it came out. This is like perfect for any season. A bust down middle part, long bust down middle part, always gonna be that girl. And this wig right here is definitely that girl. So that's pretty much it for this install. This is the look. I am so in love. All the links will be linked down below. Of course, this is from Asteria Hair, and this is, I believe, their 30, I want to say 30 inch. Is it 30 inches? It could be longer. It could be longer. Check the description box because I will have everything that is the details on this wig. The exact details will be listed in my description box. But I am done with the install and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do not forget to give me a big old thumbs up. And also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, you will lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all. I will see you guys in the next video, and until then, bye y'all.